Want some free stocks? Check out legitbonus.com, where I've compiled a list of the best bonus offers that are actually worth doing. For example, Charles Schwab currently offers a $100 free cash bonus for simply making a $50 deposit. Go to legitbonus.com, or you can just click the links down in the description of today's video. Alright, let's get to it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so this is going to be a very interesting week for the stock and crypto markets. So let's talk about a crypto that you might not have heard of. It's called HEX. In the past month, it has gone up 73%. The creator of HEX has predicted the exact day that Bitcoin hit the top twice now. And all my crypto buddies just keep talking about HEX. HEX is going to be the next big crypto. This is the one you should get for 2023. I haven't done enough research into it myself yet, but my friend who won't shut up about HEX told me to buy in when it was only 2 cents about a month ago. And I was like, I don't know about it. But man, even if I put $5,000 in, I would have made a huge profit. Something to keep your eye on is HEX. All right, so look at this. We're at about 200 now. And honestly, I'm hoping that it goes back down to closer to 100, because anybody who bought in at that $100 price has already doubled their money, and it's just going to keep going up here, and they're going to make interest on their interest. So yeah, it would be nice if we could go back down closer to 100. So that, my fingers are crossed for that, because every dollar it goes up from here, I'm just kicking myself like, man, I should have bought in lower. I mean, I got it at a good price, but it would have been nice to buy in closer to the rock bottom. All right, next I want to talk about Google. We broke through 100, back down at about 94, and everything going on right now with ChatGPT. You know, everybody's wondering what's going to happen with Google. You know, is Google at threat of, going bankrupt now? Can they really compete against ChatGPT? So when ChatGPT first came out, I wanted to test the limits of it just to see how crazy I could get with asking it the most obscure task. And I asked it to write an episode of The Golden Girls where Donald Trump comes and stops by their house. And it wrote some really funny ideas. And recently people have been complaining that ChatGPT has been censoring a lot of requests like this. So I wanted to check it out myself. So I put in, same prompt as before, write an episode of The Golden Girls where Trump pays the ladies a visit, and it refused to do it. It said that it was inappropriate to write such a thing, and its reasoning was that it would not involve political figures. So I said, okay, let's see if it'll do it for Joe Biden. Same prompt, we're just going to switch out Trump for Biden, and look at that. It wrote it. It will write it for Joe Biden, but it will not write it for Trump. So it's clearly, honestly, I'm not like a Trump supporter or a Biden supporter, but I think if you ever need evidence that things are being censored, here it is. And maybe you want Donald Trump censored, but I think that this is going to be the downfall of ChatGPT. That it's getting, they're picking sides here. They're censoring people. Google's notorious for doing the same thing. So we'll see what happens with Bard AI. I'm watching. All right, guys, the market just opened, and as I predicted, Tesla is tanking. Time to buy.
Before you go, remember to visit legitbonus.com and get your free stocks to add to your portfolio, or click the links in the video description of today's video. Keep diamond handing, and we'll catch you in the next video.